This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel, diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Where fitted, pull away the wheel trim. Using the anti-theft wheel bolts adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Using a trolley jack, raise the trailing arm slightly. Unscrew and remove the shock absorber lower Torx mounting bolt. Remove the upper mounting bolt and withdraw the shock absorber from the wheel arch. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then insert and lightly tighten the upper mounting bolt. Align the lower end with the mounting hole in the trailing arm, then insert and lightly tighten the lower mounting bolt. Tighten the upper mounting bolt to the specified torque. Then tighten the lower bolt to the specified torque. Lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting holes. Insert the bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Where applicable, refit the wheel trim. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.